Love gardening in New South Wales in July. It's a great time to get everything ready for spring and flourishing. Here are some of the things that you can do in your garden in July. In July, we should be starting to look at planting our violas, pansies, alyssums. That's your winter colour. You're going to have a great looking garden full of colour for winter time. July is a great time to get the natives in. Banksias, callistemons, grevilleas. Natives in the backyard in New South Wales are absolutely sensational. They handle our climate brilliantly. Excellent time to put them in to bring the birds into your yard. July is absolutely the perfect time to put in your fruit trees while they're bare rooted. Also, look at one of the multi-graft trees. You can get better pollination and you get even 2 or 3 different types of fruit on the one tree. Best thing to do, see the team members at your local store and they'll tell you what fruit trees work best in your region. One of the advantages of buying your plants from Bunnings is our perfect plant promise. That means we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all plants that we supply, except for seedlings, as long as you have your receipt within 12 months. Winter's a great time for bringing veggies into your garden. Good time for putting in your broad beans, cabbages, cauliflowers, and your lettuces in a nice sheltered spot. July in New South Wales, what we should be doing now is reaping the rewards from all of the hard work we put into our garden. Some great silver beet, beetroot, broccoli, coriander, leeks and spinach. Amazing to be getting those winter soups onto the table. Maintenance wise, gardening in New South Wales in July, good time to get out into the fresh air. Don't hibernate inside. You shouldn't be scared about pruning your roses and prune them back hard. Roses love a good hard prune. And after you've pruned them, give them a spray with some lime sulphur. If you're unsure about how to prune a rose, check out one of our DIY videos online. And prune any deciduous fruit trees to promote good growth and good shape. Citrus love a good feed at this time of the year too. It's also a good time to spray with white oil. This controls the nymphal stage of bronze orange bugs and mites. And don't forget to mulch the beds. This helps stop weeds growing. It also helps to feed the soil when it breaks down. There you have it. There's lots of things you can do in the garden at this time of the year. You don't need to be inside. Get out and enjoy the fresh air. And look, if you're unsure about what to do, come into one of the Bunnings stores, see one of our garden experts and they'll give you all the great advice that you need. So click here for some more gardening advice and here to go back to the website.